Hello guys, like you see, I've got some architraves. The guys finished the doors and they first asked to me, would you like these architraves offcuts? First I thought, not really sure, do I need, do I not, what am I gonna do with them? And also it's hardwood, good material. I said to them, don't throw out, I will take them, and I've got some idea. So like you see, a little bit set up already, cutting them, and basically it will be 3-step flower bed. So you can see the form already how it's gonna be. Yeah, I think finally will be nice flower bed. So let's do it. So we're gonna cut this. There is 3 measurements. It will be all 3 boxes, like all 3 steps will be 25 by 25, but the bottom one will be 25 high, the next one is 50, and last one is 75 centimeters high, tall. The square will be like 5 boards on each side. So yeah, and I think will be nice size. So enough space for flowers or for strawberries, whatever. It depends. It's all about your imagination, what you're gonna grow in them. Could be even sweet corn, sweet beans, any of them. So, and it's hardwood, will be for long lifetime as well. Not gonna be like from softwood for a couple of years. This one is gonna be for a lot longer. And this is how you can save materials, help to environment as well. All is like a chain. And these little offcuts what I have is gonna go to my burner for barbecue, like a coals. Next is 50s, another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side, and we need 10 of them. Hey, bless me. We've got all 5 these ones. So now I'm gonna go and check my ping and battery. I put on a charger. So battery is fully charged. No problem. So yeah, like you see, I ran out of the gas. All bottles is empty. So I will go shop. So yeah, let's go for some break, like for coffee. You know I like coffee. So we've got 2 same sides, but we've got materials. We're gonna make 2 of them. It looks like that.
Thousand years later.
That's it. And this is what you can make from spare or offcut architraves. Also, this one is oak, hardwood. That's his equal. So have a look, and if you like, subscribe, or some any ideas, send some comments, and we'll make something else. Yeah, I still have some more of the architraves. This one I want to keep for myself, and I will make, like you see, the other one already started one side. I think I'm gonna go not less than 60 quid for this one, maybe even more, a lot, maybe up to 100 quid. So we'll see. Yeah, I like it. Nice one.